What were the mysterious banging noises? After news broke Thursday confirming the deaths of the 5 passengers, and that a likely catastrophic implosion occurred, many wondered what the reported noises were the rescue teams heard days prior, detected by sonar buoys, and which were also thought to possibly have been the men making SOS noises. While we don't know yet for certain, experts believe the banging could be from a range of things, including search equipment in the area, marine life, such as whales, ROVs, Titanic debris, or even just sounds from the depth of the Atlantic. Experts add that the ocean is a very noisy place, and speculate the noises were a man-made cause, instead of vessel propellers due to their 30-minute intervals.